Good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in today's video I'm gonna be taking you along to take down Christmas decor. And it's actually New Year's Eve on the day that I'm filming this, but you won't see it until like January 8th, I think, is when the video will go up. I kind of look blurry. I don't know, it's weird lighting in here. I'm in my very messy bedroom right now. It needs to be cleaned. It's a disaster in here. Everything gets piled in here. Like, you can see a pile of clothes right there. Yeah, everything just gets piled in this room. But I came down here to do the intro because Cooper is very loud. So in order for you to hear me, I had to come down here for a little bit. But I think what I'm gonna do is, I did film a few clips the other day of me taking down the Christmas tree and some of the decor in the living room. And then what was I gonna say? And then today I'm going to be cooking our New Year's Eve dinner. I'm gonna make ham, so I'll probably take you along for that. And then I'm gonna start taking down the rest of the decor. The decor on the hutch needs to come down, and the decor in the mudroom needs to come down. And that's pretty much it. I still need to do that and make dinner and clean. It's a disaster in here. It's complete chaos as per usual. But yeah, we have a lot of things to do today, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. And then I'm so excited about this, but I also got the paintable beadboard wallpaper in the mail the other day. So I'm going to be starting that project soon, which I'm so excited about. I can't wait to start that. And yeah, just a lot of things going on right now and a lot of chaos, but it's fun chaos. But yeah, so let's just jump right into the video. I'm gonna show the clips of me taking down the Christmas tree, because I did film those first, and then we will jump into me starting our ham. I'm gonna cook the ham in the crock pot today, and then we're just gonna continue to take down Christmas, because I only took down the tree the other day and I just really want to get the clutter out of here. I feel very overstimulated because of all the clutter that's around me and all of the stuff. So I'm just excited to have a fresh start for the new year, and hopefully I can get a lot done today. We'll see how much I can get done, but fingers crossed I can get all of the Christmas decor down and put away and put back out in the shed, which will be so nice. And then I can just pick away at the rest of the stuff that needs to be done. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking because I've been talking for 3 minutes now, and we're just gonna jump right into this video.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Okay, so I've got all of my bins in. This is all of the stuff that I didn't use this year. So, I mean, I'm going to keep some of it because you never know, I may use it from time to time. But I think I'm going to go through a lot of this and get rid of some stuff that I didn't use, that I don't really think I'll use in years to come, just so I can narrow some of the stuff down, because I got to get all of this stuff put into these bins, which are already like mostly full. So I need to start going through some stuff, because this is just way too overwhelming and I honestly don't need this much stuff. So we're gonna go through and get rid of some stuff, I think.
Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand?
Okay, so progress has been made. I have my 3 bins there ready to go back, and I have these 2 bins here. The only things I couldn't fit in were these 2 mugs and this little rocking horse thing. So I think I'm just gonna put those in the mudroom in one of the pantries there. And then I don't know, I don't really want to put the horse outside. Oh, and I also need to do something with that too. That's Christmassy too. My mom got that for Cooper, so I need to figure that out too. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, this is a disaster. Recyclables, donations, more recyclables, a basket full of dog stuff, and then like I ended up moving this in here because I just found that it was too much or too big for the space that I was in the dining room. So that's out here now, but it's kind of weird because our microwave's out here now and it's a little weird, but anyways, we're making do. I kept these stockings out for my mom. She said she wanted some knitted ones, so I said I had extras. So I'll let her pick 2 from that pile and then the rest will be donated. So, and then these 2 Christmas candles got to go, and I'm going to put them in here. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with this. Should I stain it or paint it? Because I feel like if I paint it, it's going to be so much of that accessible beige, because I have these 3 things here too. So if I paint that beige, is it too much? Or should I just stain it? What should I do? I don't know. That orange stand thing is for my son's Christmas present. He's got a massive Nerf gun, which I need to find a spot for. It is like, honestly, chaos. I got a bag of garbage that needs to go out. The living room is just like in such disarray. Cooper was in here. Can you tell? Because like all of the cushions are off. That's his thing. He loves taking the cushions off. He gets all the blankets off. Everything's a mess. Tree's gone. But yeah, we have a lot of work to do, guys. Or like I have a lot of work to do. So, you know, if you're not doing anything and you want to clean along with me, it's totally up to you.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain guiding my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I've cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong. We're not young, but we're still free and running, and this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love.